Hey guys, what's up? Welcome on Top Fishing Videos. I'm David. So you are in the right place if you like fishing and fishing videos. So before watching this one, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell. So see you after this video. Now let's watch.
All right, folks, it's the morning of day one, Crappie Masters D'Arbonne, and we've got a lot of rain in the area. Check it out, kind of very overcasty, and it's rained a lot last night. So it's very ominous. It appears to be, and looks like it could rain at any second again. So we expect a lot of rain today, to be honest with you. But we're headed back to kind of the spillway area, and that's where we're still seeing good marks just out here by themselves. And that's where we got the 2.2 yesterday. So this is where we're starting. This is where we feel good about it. And we're gonna, we got a path of 1, 2, 3 different spots that we're gonna probably hit on this side of the lake. That's the plan. So thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Please subscribe. That means a lot. And we'll take you along for the entire journey today. So here we go.
Thanks for watching 3 Pound Fishing, partnered up with these fantastic companies.
And so just another day on D'Arbonne Lake. Muddy water, bright colors, that's what we're using. Small baits, downsizing, all that good stuff. Anything it takes to get the fish to bite. Minnows did not seem to do the trick. So we're probably going to primarily stay with hair jigs. That's kind of been our ticket. Although Marcus has been using plastics. So
pretty good with them too.
Yeah, he's doing pretty good with the plastics. So fish number 1. Didn't take much. 7 minutes. We need bigger.
All right, in this episode, I'm going to take you all the way to the end, to the stage on day 1 on this episode, okay? So we catch a ton of fish. We get off to a fantastic start. In fact, we never leave our number 1 spot because we continually saw great marks. Now, I want to walk through kind of the setup that me and Marcus are using, and let's see a couple more catches, and then I'll get right to that.
That was approximately 4 minutes later. You don't have to call yet if you want to wait till the good 8 minutes right there. Yeah, work at that stuff. That guy was only 4 foot down. Hey, how about that net job? That's how you don't do it, folks. Hey, I'm not net ready.
I'm glad I didn't do that to your fish.
Good job, Marcus.
Thank
That
you.
was fun to watch that fish move, turn, go right for it.
So this is how me and Marcus work it, okay? And I think it's just fantastic, and I'm going to make a lot of comments about it throughout this video. Marcus is essentially the net man, and he embraces that. It is just as powerful as the guy catching the fish. At the end of the day, what's important on our boat is that my foot is on that pedal. I essentially just do it so much. There's no reason why I shouldn't have my foot on the pedal the entire time. So Marcus will do whatever he can to make sure that that doesn't change. And so he's culling fish, he's netting the fish, he's doing whatever he can to keep me with a pole and my foot on that pedal. So that's what I think it makes a great team, is that it does not matter who's catching the fish. All that matters is that we're getting fish in the boat. This is by far our best start on D'Arbonne since we've been to this beautiful lake. And I think it's showing how great this type of team works, this type of setup works in catching the fish. Now, if you recall, I said that we had a 2, 3, and 4 spot on the lake, but I'll tell you folks, every time we turned around, we had another mark going after. We never saw the need to leave this spot. We never expected that to occur, but I can tell you that we never left the spot. We fished within a 200-yard area, never left that, period, and every time we turned around, we had another mark. We were constantly fishing. So Marcus might net a fish, come back, boom, he's already having to net another one. That's how quick the action was happening.
That's our best fish right now. Throw that bad boy out. That's good. Yeah, I just don't feel as much with this rod. That's a good fish, man. Touch minnows, folks. It's just the hair jigs I've been making. You can check those out on my website. I'm not custom making them. I'm just putting the ones that you're seeing in the videos, and they're working for me, I can tell you that. Big fish of the day. There's your 2-pounder. That's how you work, man, as a team. That's freaking awesome. That's beautiful. All right, so what I think I'm going to do after we catch this fish right here is I'm going to take you to the weigh-in at the Crappie Masters, and then we're going to come back to finish off a lot of the fish that we caught. Now, there are a lot of dandies left that we're going to be catching, but I'm going to go ahead and take you to the Crappie Masters, and then we're going to come back and catch the rest of these fish and show you how those fish were caught. We're going to call that one lunch break. Oh yeah, baby. Good job, man.
That's a pig. That might be a 2-pounder. That might be the first 2-pounder. 1.8, 1.9, 2 pounds. That's a hammer. Marcus was taking a lunch break. Let me see that thing. Hammer right there, boys. That's a big fish. 1.94 is going to call out a 1.11 number 2. Oh, hold on, is that number 2? That's a 7. 1.71.
Yeah.
So we're going to be calling out a 1, 2, 3.
take the lead. Gonna be close. Gonna be a little shy, but they're gonna put him in great shape for championship Saturday. 13:07. Matt Maviano, Marcus Garrison. All right, you guys got a big one in there? Nope. Nothing big. Okay.
That's an awesome sight right there. Look at all the floats, dude.
All right, as promised, we are back to catching the fish. This is how we caught those fish. Man, what a great first day. For us, 13 pounds was just astounding. Our actual goal was to get anything over 11, and so to have that kind of start was fantastic. Now, we ran into a lot of rain, folks. Check it out. This was, without doubt, the rainiest day that we had had, and it just starts to come down like you wouldn't believe. So, proper gear, real important. Marcus is sporting the old AFTCO rain gear, which is awesome. I'm, of course, a striker ice man, personally. I think it's great. It's warm, but man, look at this rain come. Unbelievable, and we are still at it. 110% without a doubt. That is our motto, and always to try to catch more fish.
Presentation. It is all about being really still. Unbelievable. That's got to call out big time at least.
1.8.
1.8. That's a huge call out.
1.82.
1.82 calls out at 1.27.
Yep.
And that's us. We're keeping 8 fish until we get to the weigh-in.
visibility is probably about 150 yards, something like that. I would not want to be going through those lanes, but hey, we just want to say before we go to the weigh-in today, and I'm taking you there, appreciate all the sponsors. I don't want to go through all of them. I just want to say thank you, and we appreciate it for all your support. So,
Thanks for watching 3 Pound Fishing, partnered up with these fantastic companies.
Yo, so thanks for watching this fishing video. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and put a thumbs up. See you, bye bye guys, take care.